Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Share your story, Ronnie Harville. We're gonna talk about this earthquake felt across almost the entire Philippines. Oh wow. Well, yeah, it's very true. I'm talking about this tonight because this is what going on, what's happening to the country of the Philippines, my beloved country. So that's why I'm just sharing to you tonight about the situation because lately this happened. This earthquake was happened 10 o'clock again. So 5 o'clock in the afternoon. This afternoon was another earthquake. So every place now are of the yeah of the Philippines are now getting some trouble earthquake because of the fault line. Well, and the yeah, the the ring line of this volcanic upon the circle of almost in the Philippines island. Anyway, we are here and we're gonna talk about this because this is very serious problems. Of I know and we know that only the Philippines was struggling, even Indonesia, wherever country, even the Japan. Um, so anywhere, even in America, now are getting to warning, worldwide warning, volcanic eruption, whatever, because maybe because of this happening of the climate change or whatever, or man-made doing or what else. But the Bible prophecy, well, talking about this very important subject, we're getting good at that. We're gonna talk about this, and okay, let us show about this, and we will know about this why what happening in our country here in the Philippines, and I want to show you and about the situation. Right. So here, yeah. Well, let's go back here. So that is okay. All right. I'll get back. Yeah. Well, we are here right now. I'm gonna talk about this earthquake felt across almost the entire Philippines. Well, we are here right now. Look this picture that I'm from the from the pillbox, and we have a reference from the pillbox. So magnitude that is 4.5. Um, that in Macunacon, Isabela. That was at 12:54 EM, October 11. Uh, at 4.5 magnitude. Or then also in La Union, that was October 9. Yeah, 4.8, 10:30 in the morning. Oh, then also in Zambales, this afternoon was happening. This so meaning that's neighbor holding provinces. That is the spot of the earthquake area can be a trouble earthquake will happen. Well, magnitude 5.0 in Cabangan, Zambales. That is 5 o'clock in the afternoon and 32 in the afternoon or PM. That's this afternoon was happening October 11. And magnitude 6.9 in Bugus, Cebu. That was, that's September 30, and almost how many, lot of people was died there because that is, they are really sleeping on their houses, and that's why that's broke their house, and there is a very struggling that they have in that time, September 9 or September 30. That was 9:59 p.m. or in the evening. Even here in Negros, we felt, and I have a live video that time that we check in for almost, I think that is almost 20 seconds. Yeah, we run in our outside in our house or in our church, and we go outside. Even the people were there, and they're looking for something what happening in our community. It's really shaken our place. So that's why in the Bogus Cebu, a lot of people was died there. That is magnitude 6.9, Bogus Cebu. Then also, and yesterday, okay, the magnitude 7.4 in Manay, Davao Oriental. That is 9:43 a.m. That is October 10, yesterday. And also magnitude 6.9, same, a 7 12 p.m. So in the morning was Earth had a thermal earthquake 17.4. Then an evening 7:12 p.m. Same date in Manay Davao Oriental was again struck the earthquake in that area. So almost Davao was struggling about the shaking of their place. Yeah. So this is what happened to them, and it's really serious about this their situation. So yeah, so that's why we have to be careful. And if there's a Philippine, even not only here in the Philippines, anywhere in the world, because next video we're gonna talk about the worldwide volcanic eruption. It's really, it's really from the international doctor or volcanic um, talk about this or the doctor. I forgot his name, but anyway, let's go back here in the Philippines. So that's what's happening to them. That October 11, yeah, 2025 was struck. Yeah, even the Manila was getting out um, from from the school in the United I mean UST, University State St. Thomas. Okay, because Sambales was there, and ayun, according to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and the Seismology, which is PELVOX, um, magnitude 5.0 earthquake was done in Cabangan, Sambales. Okay, and that's we see that about the situation of the earthquake, and we are talking lately. So anyway, the Davao Oriental earthquake still thousands of um, yeah aftershocks. Even here, we feel about aftershocks, just a little shaken because one of us also are here, one of in part of southern. I mean that's northern in having also some there's a that or a danger of coming of earthquake also in our province. So that's why we feel something wrong. So that's why we need to pray and be careful what happening tonight. Well, that's the earthquake, and I show you about this situation because you know, and before that, before this, I give you a picture. It's very important. We cannot talk about tonight. Sorry. This picture we're gonna talk about this tonight. We will get back this because this is very serious about this situation. Well, here, so the earthquake uh, lately, what's happening tonight is yeah, and again in Surigao del Sur, and again in Davao, a city of Mati, Surigao in Surigao del Sur was again, and Bugu City again was uh, earthquake, and yeah, so that's why almost the earthquake stuck on in here in Philippines. So it's very dangerous, and we know and we see the fault line about the situation of earthquake. Yeah, so we will get back that, And but first, this is lately, uh, this evening, 10 o'clock was an earthquake. That's why I told you about this lately. That's Davao, Surigao, Bugus City, again Cebu. Leyte, yes, Leyte again, and Leyte, and Manay, Davao. So that is four places. Even us here, we felt something a little. That was 10 o'clock in the evening. See, they are uh, stuck. The earthquake stuck in that places in Cebu, in Manay, Davao, again in Surigao, then in Bogus, in Bogo, at the same time in Leyte. So that place was stuck again about the earthquake. Well, let's go back here. Yeah, this was I told you. That's a very dangerous what happened to this, and we see about the fault line, and even here just like a picture of of feet. Yeah, a picture of feet. Is this is our province, so it's really dangerous because the Canlaon, Mount Canlaon are here in this like feet of man in this area. This is our place. So the Canlaon are really, um, we are watching this what happened to the Canlaon, and also the red line going to this Palawan, or this circle. If you see the circle going to Arrow, so there's a light there, and you see about going. I think this is going to Malaysia. So near in Malaysia, you know why the China is trying to take this, because there's a lot of rich in diesel. You know that diesel. So uh, because of this diesel, or the product of diesel, is it is came from just like if you see get back the feet of a man. That's the island. That's our province. So the the route, I mean, the route going to the around of the circle was before the map, before this. I think this is Malaysia or Indonesia. So correct me if what is the country of that. So the the diesel was the route of from the Canlaon. That is the map of the feet, just like a man's feet. That is our province. So that's going to the circle, is that is rich in diesel. So the the China trying to take this because yeah, they can be have a business of diesel for the car, whatever that he needs of mechanics. Yeah, so it is very danger. So maybe it is one also can be um, attacked by the China and to destroy the Philippines, or the island the Philippines. So one of us here in the, so that's why it's really dangerous for us, because we are living in this um, just like an island, just like a feet. If you picture out, just like a picture of the feet of the man. See, so it's really dangerous. So meaning the earthquake is very dangerous, as it was ring almost around the Negros Island was almost a thousands of volcanoes, uh, which is ring of the Philippine Island. Okay, so especially one of also some we're gonna talk about another the subject. So this is one of the reason why that the earthquake felt across almost in the entire the Philippines, because a thousands of volcanoes here. So it's really dangerous for all of us. Well, and that's it. And thank you for just a little listening for me. And I hope you have a uh, You understand about what I'm saying? I'm talking about this earthquake felt across almost the entire Philippines. So it is very dangerous for us here in the Philippines. So please pray for us. And I was reading last year 2008 or 2009 about the situation of the Philippine island, and according to the scientists, maybe it's possible the Philippines will be wiped out, and even the Japan, according that I was read that before. But the Bible prophecy is really true, and that's why we need to pray. We need to not because of way that the Lord is, but some others says that it is now the moving the Lord to the judgment of God, and some is um to save. God will save somebody before that will happen. And of course, these people are just they are worrying, and some don't believe about this. But for me, I really believe, because we the happening today about the earthquake felt across almost the entire Philippines. So why not don't to believe this? So that's the problem of every person don't believe about this earthquake felt across almost the entire Philippines. So it's very dangerous. If we saw now about the flood, and we aware about that, how much more the earthquake? See, it's really earthquake is really dangerous. So keep safe, everyone. To all the Filipino, even not only the Philippines, because the earthquake is not only in the Philippines, but all over the across all over the world. So next video we're gonna talk about this worldwide volcanic eruption. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me. This is your story, Ronnie Harabel, and if you does not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell and comment. Okay, comment the comment section, and don't forget to like also this video. The support, full support my channel. Thank you so much. I thank you for all my friends here in YT that continue to support my channel. Thank you so much again. This is your story, Ronnie Harbel. Thank you for listening, and God bless you all. See you again the next video. Hey, for the I will gonna update for the next video for the worldwide volcanic eruption. Bye bye. See you in the next video.